Let's say if this yarn is bleeding badly and you want to fix it yourself. All you need to do is you can fish it out from this bucket of water and add a clean bucket of water with some white vinegar and just leave it to the heating source that you have. So you can either microwave it, or you can bake it, or you can steam it. Just make sure you do not use any utensil or container that you're going to use for eating. But if you have no interest fixing, you just want washing, then you can leave it in this soaking bucket, soak for 15 minutes, wring it out, and then we can soak it again until the dyes run out. If after I washes about 3 times and the dye will not stop bleeding, then I will contact the dyer, the dye company, to give you a replacement, because that will be a lot of work if you try to save that yarn.